They say not to use the word creative anymore, that the term is meaningless. But what word describes the blending of imagination, innovation, and beauty more perfectly? There's drive, of course, the drive to overcome, the drive to succeed. And there's vision, the vision to explore, to elaborate, to design. There's professionalism, experience, passion. You can have all of these things, be all of these things, but they're only a small part of what it means to be creative. Go ahead, ask anyone. People all around the world need creatives like us. Creatives that feel an unstoppable, burning need to breathe life into something any sane, rational person would abandon. To make it walk and talk and fly. To explode into something beautiful or heart-wrenching or overwhelming. We know how to unearth that special little something that makes everything better, brighter, more meaningful. Because if you are creative, you're going to go places you've never gone, see things you've never seen, do things you couldn't imagine in your wildest dreams. Because the world is a bustling, vibrant place, filled with stories just waiting to be told. We can make hearts pound, we can make eyes water, we can make people fall in love. And all we've got to do is wake up every day and say, I'm not going to give up. I'm going to tell that story because it needs to be told, and I am the one to tell it. I am a storyteller. I am an artist. I am a creative.